Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are going to be playing some duos with my good friend Drake. Say hello. Drake, I said say hello. Okay. Now that's better. So we're gonna be playing duos. We're gonna be landing at good old Risky Reels. This is one of my favorite spots to land. I'm pretty sure last game I landed here. Or last episode I landed here. And yes, I still lag whenever I play this, and my graphics haven't loaded yet. No! Very bad. Graphics, load. Nope, not loading. Yeah, because my graphics didn't load. You're just walking on gray blobs. Okay, I'm gonna pause. We lost. We could have won that if I didn't lag. So I'm gonna start recording after we land next game. Okay, so I landed and my graphics loaded, so it's great. So I should keep doing this strategy. But this is my last game I'm gonna do until I get off. Well, I mean, like, get off streaming. Video. I wish I could stream, but I don't have a streaming platform. Ooh, more minis. Okay, I'm gonna carry minis this game. Okay, I'm gonna go loot big screen. Can you throw them to me? Well, big screen's mine. I'm at max minis now, which makes me happy. Mom, stop, I'm recording. I may be able to carry medkits. Okay. Do you have max? Oh, now you have max. I changed how my loadout looks, so I used to have SMG in first slot. Now I have AR in first slot. Oh, blue AR. Wait, didn't you say you didn't have max medkits? There was another one right here, but I'm gonna carry crash pads. Did you find any? I don't like crash. Wait, where's the grenades that you found? I love grenades. Yes, you did. When oh, they're over here. Brick is always the problem when we land here. Yeah, brick. I'm gonna see if I can upgrade to Scar. What? Should I upgrade to a blue pump? What? Okay. Okay, I'm upgrading to. Oh wait, why don't I just pull off this other mini? Blue burst. I need metal. I mean a green burst. Never mind, a green burst. I feel like I'm accidentally gonna pull out my grenades when I should pull out my AR. I need to remember that it's in my #1 slot now. This game has actually been very good recording wise. A person who's getting kicked. Oh yes, the girl. I mean, I have her added. I don't know why. I just want her to be nice, okay? The other guys were bullying her. Yeah. So I added her. We played a few duos. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording till we find someone. Okay, we found someone. Hit him, tagged him. I tagged him 22 once. He's healing. He's gonna heal. Oh, his teammate sniped me. Yeah. Ugh, so annoying. Why do kids? They have an RPG. Or, no, that's yours. I almost tagged him. I'm pretty sure his teammate's pushing me. Oh, his teammate sniped you? Oh, he sniped me again. Come. Drake, Drake, Drake. Well, we're gonna die. No. Actually, no, I have faith in you. You can get this duo. There's one. Okay, come. Wait, are you flying away or are you coming to get me? He's landing behind you. Oh, so close. Okay, well, I have time for one more video. I have time for one more game, so you guys get another game. Be thankful. I haven't started recording this game. The second one was so much better than the first one. Then I guess I'm gonna carry bigs. Minis? No, I'm carrying grenades. Ooh, blue AR. Oh, well, I just found minis. Oh, the helicopter's landing here. Drake. Here. That was perfect, almost. Wait, no. I need to find a big pot because I said I'm carrying bigs. You did. Okay, just yeet it over to me. Oh. Oh yeah, I forgot you weren't at 100. More minis over here. Are you fighting again? Then who was shooting? Here. Okay, here. I'm gonna throw them. Wait, no one's looted the house yet? That's kind of weird. They're throwing nades. Wait, no. Should I fight this helicopter or should I hide? Nah, I'm not gonna fight. I'm pretty sure they just looted house though. I know they just left. No, I think I... Never mind. Ooh, a green tack. Okay, I'm gonna just carry minis for now. I know, but just for now because I have nothing else to carry. Ooh, yay, 112. Where's that chest? I think it's, or in this room, I don't know. Let me get the, never mind, this isn't a room. Let me get the chest up top. I don't think anyone looted it. Oh, I'm still recording. Why am I recording me looting? Should I yeet grenades over there? When we get closer? Oh, look at Zone. He's gonna have to push us. Yeah. Kobe. For Kobe. For Kobe. Oh, they also have grenades. Oh, my game's lagging. Where are they? Okay, I'm gonna finish him. Where's his teammate? I'm just gonna pop my 2 bigs. Oh. Oh, he was behind me! I didn't see him. Okay, well, bye video.